Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy General 315, man. Back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today we have the Jordan 5 Fire Red joints on deck for y'all to see from my boy Trader Joe's. Y'all know what it's about already. I wanted this colorway because I don't really have a lot of 5s in my collection. I have both off-white 5s, but I do not have any other 5s in my collection. And I'm not a big Jordan 5 fan. Like, I'm not a big person on Jordan 5s. I like them, but not crazy about them. You know what I'm saying? So got this joint from my boy Trader Joe's. He sent this over for a review. I appreciate that. This is an educational video. I just wanted to show y'all what's available out there. This is a UA shoe. It's not the retail, just to let y'all know, so don't get crazy on me. If y'all want to get the retail joint, y'all could go to StockX and GOAT and pay resale prices. They are on the screen for y'all right now to see. Y'all can do y'all thing. I'm not telling y'all to spend y'all money nowhere. I'm just telling y'all that things are available. You know what I'm saying? Before I get started in breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Follow me on IG, where you'll see what I'm reviewing and what I'm reviewing next. And follow me on that TikTok. Not gonna spend a lot of time on this shoe because it's pretty basic, you know what I'm saying? And I just didn't grab them because I wasn't crazy about it, but I looked at my collection and I was like, I should probably get a pair of Jordan 5s, you know, that's not off-white, and put it in there. So I got these joints. All right, so let's break it down. Primarily white upper. You got the Hits Fire Red, black midsole and outsole with that translucent outsole as well. So let's go through it. The one thing I could say about this from Trader Joe's is the leather is so good. Really good. I mean, this is retail leather. So that was like the main thing that stood out to me, because the leather is just really nice. The only thing about Jordan 5s is that they crease hard. When they crease hard. It's almost like they crease like Air Force 1s. You know what I'm saying? Like Air Force 1s, when they crease hard, and so don't Jordan 5s. And that's kind of why I'm not really a big fan of Jordan 5s, but I got the classic, you know what I'm saying? So all white upper, you got your grid here on your mid panel right there, as well on the tongue right there. White laces going up the shoe. Very nice white leather on the upper. Nike Air branding in the back, which is the highlight of the shoe. And I know a lot of people were complaining they wanted that 23 on the side, but I'm pretty cool without it. I'm glad that they didn't put it there because it would have been too much, but whatever. Black midsole. Got our nice Air unit right there. Looks good. One of the big problems with UAs, they be messing up the teeth right here, but this looks really good. It's painted well. Toe box looks good. It's a little boxy. It's not as slanted. It's a little boxy, but it's not that bad. It's got a nice little curve to it, so I can deal with that. Outsole with that black Nike right there. And then we have our red Jumpman in that translucent piece right there. Nice little icy outsole. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. And like I said, y'all gotta make sure y'all check these if y'all going with y'all UAs. Even the retails be messing up too sometimes, but y'all gotta make sure y'all check that. And that's painted well right there. White eyelets going up. That looks good. Lace lock with the Nike right there looks good. That's pretty dope. We got our reflective 3M tongue right here. That looks good. Jumpman looks pretty good on there. We have our Fire Red sock liner. And then we got our Nike Air inside and the standard shoe tree Jordan on the back right there, Air Jordan. So pretty dope, very nice shoe. Nothing to complain about right there. The leather, man, the leather on this one is really nice. I cannot complain about this leather. It's very soft. You can't beat nice and soft leather. Like, this leather is good. This is the leather that I wish they would have put on the Carmines. I wish they would have put this white leather on the Carmines, but that's another story to talk about. But yeah, very dope. I'm just checking both shoes. This one has more of like a slanted toe box to me than the other one, but still very nice. You know what I'm saying? This shoe, teeth look good. And this is what I was saying, you know, Trader Joe's is the plug, y'all. He ain't gonna send y'all no trash. He cares about his name. He's not with sending anything that's garbage. So anyway, if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, for me, I'm not a big 5 fan. I'm not a big 5 fan, but if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, at 8 at best for me, because the only two Jordan 5s I really like is the black metallic 5s and this one. So I'll give it about an 8. That's all you're gonna get from me. Construction of materials used, 9.5. These materials are really good. The shoe was constructed very well. No complaints there from me. So that's all I got for the shoe, y'all. I hope this helps you make a decision. StockX, GOAT, or UA, whatever you want to do. Hope this helps you make a decision. Let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on the next one. All right? Peace. All right, y'all, what up, what up, what up? Yo, it's General. It's wet out here. It's raining. I'm trying to get this quick on foot right here. I'm actually standing on one foot. I'm standing on one foot because I got these joints on right now. I'm outside. Got these joints from my boy Trader Joe's. This was dope. I appreciated it, and I was wearing it. See, look. I was wearing it today. It's a really comfortable fit. Fits true to size. It's a classic. You know what I'm saying? It's a classic. You might as well just grab it. Whatever. You know what I mean? StockX, Gold, Trader Joe's, whoever. Just get your shoes. I'm probably not going to do anything medical right now because my phone is soaking wet. These are dope right here, y'all. These are super dope. Y'all make sure you're going to pick them up. Let's jump into this on foot.